Quick little video on how I'm actually correcting some of my file. I'm not really a good coder, so I'm just going to show you what I got. What I like to do after the game is go through all these little red triangles and see what's happening. So for instance, here, I'm noticing that I got a wrong point assignment. So I gave the point to that team, the blue team, where this one says that the red team is supposed to win. So what I'm going to do is I'll go to that execution there, and I realized that this is not the A, but this is the star, right? So now the stuff at the top should disappear. And then I got a tendency to actually code my dig and my set the same way. So I got all these problem there where, I'm not supposed to have a set after a set. So all the stuff that are here, I need to actually fix all my dig. My first dig, actually, I should even verify that this one is correct. So I got F, which is, again, it's not, it should be a plus, because then it follows by a dig by 20, and then it's by 16. That is setting. And then I got here, so here, I got 18. That is a continuation, so it should not be, it should be like this. And then my 1 is actually a good dig. So it should be A1 dig plus. And this one for me is going to be a K1. And so now I've got a B1. Is that a touch? No, it goes directly. 16 is a dig. That is a good dig. So that should be a minus, right? And now it's disappeared. And now my F, right? It should be, maybe I can call that a K6. That's what I do. Should I call it K2? And then it's a kill there. So now I corrected all these red rows here, and that's what I'm doing through the whole game.